Hi everyone, welcome back to GeneWorks. Today, the normalize engine. Normalization usually comes with a toll. You need Technopedia or a SAM Pro license before you can clean a single record. GeneWorks doesn't ask you for either. We run our own normalization database, kept current nightly by 18 dedicated agents. It normalizes 4 tables: companies and vendors, software installs, locations, and departments. The overview tells you where you stand: total records, how many unique variants exist across them, how many have been resolved to a canonical record, and your overall match rate. Here's how it decides. High confidence matches are accepted automatically. You don't touch them. Anything below that threshold comes here, to the review queue. You see the source value, the proposed canonical value, and the confidence behind it. Accept it, reject it, or escalate it. Your call on the records that actually need a human. When you're satisfied, a blanket run applies everything and deploys the normalized values straight back to ServiceNow. You can also teach it. Custom rules let you define your own mappings. Anything starting with micro resolves to Microsoft. Set it once and it applies on every run going forward. And the catalog opens up the underlying database itself. Every publisher, every product, including lifecycle data. So you're not just cleaning names, you're seeing what's supported and what's end of life. Runs and audits give you the full history: what changed, when, and who approved it. And jobs can be scheduled, so normalization stops being a project and becomes a background process. One more thing. This is included. Same license, no extra tier, no separate product to buy. Clean data continuously without the toll. Thanks for your time.